Hi, welcome. I'm going to show you how to use my gel eyeliner in dark brown. So you want to kind of start from the middle as your focal point. You want to slowly do the eyeliner this way to about 3/4, right? And then do it closest to your eyelash. Then you're going to get your smudger brush. So it's okay if it's not a perfect line. And then you're just gonna smudge it like this. Okay, now let's do the other side so you're even. So you start in the middle. Do closest to your lash. See how I'm not really doing it like evenly? And then you just smudge it so that way it does look even. Okay, we're gonna do a Kohl pencil on the bottom. We're not gonna do the gel liner, but we're just gonna do it. So you do it, start on the outer and then do short little strokes, about 3/4. Now you can do it all the way, but I'm just gonna do 3/4 today. And then you're gonna grab your smudger brush. See, and you can smudge it all the way or you can smudge it at 3/4, but that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, we're gonna do the other side now. See how it just opened up the eye a little bit more? Okay. Oops. Okay. Smudge, smudge, smudge. Okay. Now, last, we're gonna do the curling mascara. It's awesome mascara. The curling and intense mascara. So I always do black. I never do brown. So just do black. If you don't want it as harsh, you just do the brown eyeliner. Okay. But see how it's like a curved? Oh, so good. And then you just kind of wiggle it up. But I always start in the middle. Always start in the middle. It's like your focal point. Okay. And if you want, you can do it on the bottom. And there you go. So I used about 4 products. These 4. Ta-da! And you have eyeliner.